Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 taskbar icons missing or disappear. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run. Local app data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Delete icon cache file. Restart system. Third method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Make sure turn off controlled folder access. Fourth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.